guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will be doing with practice problems on SQL. In this we will be covering creating table, and we will be doing the following commands, which are inserting, select, update and delete. So let's begin. So as you can see, I have created here table, create table employee, which I have given a name, database EMPL. Okay, now I have been created the table, so I will be doing further. Now disk ample, see my table came. So now we will be doing with the insert command, insert into employee means ample. Okay, now we will be writing EMPID. Now last name, first name, address and city. Okay, now values. Now we will be entering here what I want to insert. 1 XYZ ABC India Mumbai. Okay, now next 2 X A India Pune. Okay, now next is 3 XYZ ABC India. Okay, now how this you can add. So this was just example. So if I want to add someone like 3, okay, like X, now A, India. Now I will be writing Delhi. Okay, now see query. Okay, now we will be writing select from table name. Okay, ample. See, insertion part came, what I have inserted here. Okay, and 3x. Okay, so insertion part came. Now we will be moving with the next command. In this only we will be doing select command. Select command is basically used to select the data. Okay, so its syntax is select table. I can show you. Select what I want to select. Okay, now EMID, which is employee ID, and now last name from employee means ample. Okay, see, came. Now if I want to write select from ample, the insertion table came. So as you can see, we have done the update command, table we have created, insert command, select command. So in SQL, till we have covered creating tables, commands with tables like insertion, update, select, drop, delete, and creating table with constants. We have also covered fields like primary key, foreign key, unique key, default, and we have also done practice problems. So this was the basic SQL. So in this video only this, in next video we will be moving further with the new topic of SQL. So thank you for watching my video, and please like and subscribe my channel.